Why Python? Python is the most popular programming language in the world right now. It has held the #1 spot on the TOBA index since 2021. Every year it grows more popular, and in 2026 it shows no signs of slowing down. Python is a general-purpose language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is easy to read, easy to learn, and has over 500,000 packages. Its code looks almost like plain English, which makes it beginner-friendly. Let me show you how simple Python is. A Hello World program is just one line. No class declarations, no semicolons, no import statements. Compare that to Java or C++ where you need 5 to 10 lines for the same thing. Python is the language of AI and machine learning. Every major AI framework uses Python. PyTorch, TensorFlow, LangChain, and Hugging Face are all Python first. If you want to work with AI in 2026, you need Python. Python has powerful web frameworks too. FastAPI is modern and fast, growing quickly in adoption. Django is full-featured and used by Instagram and Pinterest. Flask is lightweight and flexible for smaller projects. For data science, Python is the standard tool. Pandas handles data manipulation, Polars provides faster processing, and Matplotlib creates visualizations. Jupyter Notebooks let you do interactive analysis step by step. Python also excels at automation and scripting. Need to rename 1,000 files or scrape a website? A script that takes 50 lines in Bash takes only 10 lines in Python. It saves you hours of manual work. Let us compare Python with JavaScript. Python is best for backend, AI, data, and scripts. JavaScript is best for frontend and web apps. Both are dynamically typed and easy to learn, but they serve different purposes. How about Python versus Rust? Python is slower, but much easier to learn. Choose Python when development speed matters more than execution speed. Choose Rust when you need maximum performance and memory safety. You may have heard that Python is slow. That is partially true for CPU-heavy tasks. But most Python programs spend time waiting for network responses or database queries. For these tasks, Python is fast enough. When you need speed, Python has options. NumPy and Pandas use C under the hood. You can write Rust extensions with PO3. Instagram serves over 2 billion users with Django. If Python works for Instagram, it works for you. Big companies use Python every day. Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, NASA, Uber, and Amazon all rely on Python. These are not toy projects. These are some of the largest systems in the world. The AI boom is the biggest reason to learn Python in 2026. Every LLM framework and every AI agent toolkit is Python first. If you want to build AI applications, learning Python is not optional, it is essential. Python is easy to start with. You can install it in 5 minutes and write your first program immediately. No complex setup, no build tools, no IDE required. A text editor and a terminal are all you need. Let me show you some quick examples. Variables are simple, no type declarations needed. Lists and loops are concise. A list comprehension creates a new list in just 1 line. This would take 4 lines in most other languages. Python has a set of design principles called the Zen of Python. Beautiful is better than ugly. Simple is better than complex. Readability counts. These principles guide everything in the Python community. The Python ecosystem is massive. PyPI has over 500,000 packages for web development, data science, machine learning, HTTP requests, testing, and CLI tools. Whatever you need, there is probably a package for it. In the next video, we will install Python on your computer and write your first real program. We will set up VS Code and learn how to run Python scripts from the terminal. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.